In front of me is ALCATEL 1T 10 Smart 2020, and today I would like to show you where you can locate all typing options. First of all, go into Settings. Now you need to scroll all the way down to Access System. Then select Languages and Input, Virtual Keyboard, and Gboard. Finally, tap on Text Correction. As you can see, all typing features are available over here. If you want to manage them, just click on the switches next to the chosen ones. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!